Hi, Kate. This is it. This is what I see. The Aurora Borealis. Aurora Borealis. This is the dim light, dim kind. Okay. And this is the, how do you see? Okay, this is the light one. It's so nice. It's so beautiful. That's what it's look like. I'm just laying down right now. Okay. I don't know how to do the music, but let me see how